Good evening, y'all. Here, I'm gonna show y'all how to crack a password on the gymnasium. And first, you are gonna go on uh, your gym. You're gonna go password cracking. So, first off, you are gonna see not three. Excuse me. You're gonna see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of these password crackings. Now, I'm gonna show y'all an easy level, just so y'all can get the understanding of what to do. So first, what we're gonna do is copy and paste. So Control C, or if you're in Mac, Command C. You're gonna go here. You're gonna plug it in. Control V or Command C. Plug it in. And you're gonna get a bunch of websites that have to do with password cracking. Online password cracking, free MD5 subscription, all that, right? So for me, I always go to the first one because, first one can most of the time be the safest one. And not just the safest one, they're like the easiest one you're going to get an answer to. So here it shows us, what is it called? MD5 hash digest. So this is what we copied and pasted into the website, or not the website, the search, and then we clicked on it, and then this is what, like, the decoded, the decrypted, or reversed value of it, which would be Emily BFFL. So that we're gonna copy and paste, or you can just come here, copy value. Value has been copied. You're gonna come here, do this, copy, or sorry, paste, and there you go. Answer's correct. Now, if you need any more help during this process, you're gonna come here. You're gonna see the answer right here. Excuse me. I don't know why it's doing that, but there we go. But y'all see the answer. Question 1, which is what we copied, and then the answer, which should be Emily BFF L. And that's your answer for y'all. And thank you.